Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're taking a close look at 15 classic motorcycles for sale in the USA, featuring real vintage machines with real history, from affordable riders to rare legends. Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson FLT Custom, $7,000, Missouri. This 1980 Harley-Davidson FLT Custom started life as a Tour Glide shovelhead, representing an important transition era for Harley-Davidson. It features the early rubber-mounted shovelhead engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, offering classic character with improved ride comfort for its time. This bike has been heavily customized, including a raked frame, chrome Springer front end, stretched fenders, and air ride suspension. While it shows the personality typical of older Harleys, including minor oil leaks, it runs strong and attracts attention wherever it goes. This is the kind of custom-built classic that appeals to riders who value style, sound, and mechanical presence over modern refinement. Number 2. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900A4, $19,500, Illinois. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900A4 is widely regarded as one of the most important Japanese motorcycles ever produced. Often associated with the early superbike era, the KZ900 delivered strong performance, reliability, and bold styling. This example remains highly original, with low documented mileage and careful restoration work that respects factory specifications. The classic green paint, inline-4 engine, and solid chassis make it a standout for collectors and riders alike. Bikes like this represent the moment when Japanese manufacturers reshaped the global motorcycle market, and well-preserved examples continue to grow in desirability. Number 3. 1983 BMW R80 RT Custom, $4,299, Wisconsin. This 1983 BMW R80 RT has been tastefully transformed from its original touring configuration into a custom build while retaining BMW's legendary air-cooled Boxer engine. With around 30,000 miles, it reflects typical BMW durability and long-term usability. The bike features a Hannigan fairing, blacked-out finishes, updated exhaust, and carefully selected cosmetic details. BMW airheads are known for their balance, smooth torque delivery, and mechanical simplicity. This example blends classic German engineering with custom styling, making it appealing to riders who want a usable vintage motorcycle with a unique visual identity. Number 4. 1974 Honda XL350, $1,800, Arkansas. The 1974 Honda XL350 is a rare early dual-sport motorcycle that reflects Honda's push into versatile all-terrain machines during the 1970s. This model combines a 4-stroke engine with off-road capability and street legality, making it ahead of its time. The bike has been partially restored with many new components and remains operational, though it requires additional mechanical attention. Early XL models are increasingly difficult to find, especially with original character intact. For enthusiasts interested in vintage trail bikes or restoration projects, this XL350 offers historical value and strong long-term potential. 5. 1963 Triumph Thunderbird 650, $7,500, Kansas. This 1963 Triumph Thunderbird 650 represents classic British motorcycling at its peak. Known for its torque-rich parallel twin engine and timeless design, the Thunderbird earned its reputation on both roads and racetracks. This particular example has been custom-built into a bobber-style motorcycle, featuring a hardtail frame and minimalist setup. Like many British bikes of the era, it may show typical oil seepage, but that comes with the territory. Machines like this appeal to riders who appreciate raw mechanical feel, vintage craftsmanship, and unmistakable British character. Number 6. 1981 Yamaha Seka 750, $1,800, Missouri. The 1981 Yamaha Seka 750 is a practical and often overlooked classic from Japan's golden era. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, the Seka offered strong everyday performance, reliability, and comfort. This example remains largely stock and roadworthy, with typical age-related quirks that do not prevent regular use. Bikes like the Seka are increasingly popular because they deliver classic styling without the maintenance demands of older European machines. It's a solid option for riders seeking an affordable entry into vintage motorcycling that can still be enjoyed on modern roads. Number 7. 1975 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $4,100, Iowa. The 1975 Moto Guzzi Eldorado reflects Italian engineering with a distinct personality. Featuring a transverse V-twin engine and shaft drive, Moto Guzzi motorcycles are known for their durability and unique mechanical layout. This Eldorado has been custom-built while keeping its core mechanical components close to stock. The handcrafted fuel tank and low seat height give it a striking profile, while the engine delivers relaxed torque for everyday riding. Vintage Moto Guzzis are appreciated for their individuality, and this example stands out as a functional classic with unmistakable Italian flair. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS 1100L, $2,900, Missouri. The 1982 Suzuki GS 1100L is a powerful cruiser-style classic from Suzuki's performance-focused lineup. Powered by a large displacement inline-4 engine with shaft drive, it offers smooth acceleration and strong highway capability. This bike remains in clean, rideable condition, featuring triple-disc brakes and period-correct styling. The GS series helped define Suzuki's reputation for performance and reliability during the early 1980s. Well-maintained examples like this continue to serve as dependable vintage riders, appealing to those who want classic looks combined with real-world usability. Number 9. 1974 BMW R90/6, $4,800, Indiana. The 1974 BMW R90/6 is a highly respected airhead model, known for its balance, comfort, and long-distance capability. With factory hard cases and period touring accessories, this bike reflects BMW's focus on practical touring motorcycles. The 900cc Boxer engine delivers smooth power and excellent longevity when properly maintained. While it shows minor cosmetic wear consistent with age, it remains a solid example of a classic BMW tourer. Bikes like the R90/6 are increasingly valued for their durability, understated design, and timeless engineering. Number 10. 1983 Honda Goldwing, $2,750, Missouri. The 1983 Honda Goldwing represents the early years of one of the most successful touring motorcycles ever produced. Built for comfort and long-distance reliability, the Goldwing quickly earned a reputation for smooth performance and rider-friendly design. This example has been regularly used for road trips and remains mechanically sound, needing only routine maintenance typical for its age. Early Goldwings are now recognized as true classics, offering a unique blend of vintage character and touring practicality that continues to attract enthusiasts. Number 11. 1977 Maico AW400, $5,500, Arkansas. The 1977 Maico AW400 is a rare and respected off-road motorcycle from a brand known for high-performance two-stroke machines. Maico bikes were highly competitive in motocross and enduro racing during the 1970s. This example has been extensively refreshed with quality components, including upgraded suspension and rebuilt engine systems. With its lightweight design and strong power delivery, the AW400 reflects a time when off-road motorcycles were raw, fast, and purpose-built. Collectors value Maicos for their racing heritage and limited production numbers. Number 12. 1976 Kawasaki KZ Custom, $7,500, Kansas. This 1976 Kawasaki KZ Custom build blends vintage muscle with extensive period-correct modifications. Featuring a larger 1000cc engine, raked frame, stretched swing arm, and classic drag-style components, this bike reflects old-school customization trends. Despite its aggressive appearance, it remains street-legal and functional. Builds like this showcase the creativity of earlier motorcycle culture, where performance and visual impact were equally important. For enthusiasts who appreciate custom fabrication and classic Japanese power, this KZ stands as a rolling piece of history. Number 13. 1974 Norton Commando 850, $3,500, Oklahoma. The 1974 Norton Commando 850 is one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles. Known for its isolastic frame design, the Commando offered improved handling and reduced vibration compared to earlier British twins. This example remains largely original but requires completion, making it suitable for restoration-minded enthusiasts. With low mileage and an unmodified engine, it offers a strong foundation. Norton Commandos are valued for their racing pedigree, distinctive sound, and historical importance within British motorcycling. Number 14. 1948 Indian Chief, $19,900, Minnesota. The 1948 Indian Chief is a true American motorcycle legend. Featuring a large displacement V-twin engine and classic pre-war styling, the Chief represents the height of Indian motorcycles' early success. This bobber-style build retains the iconic presence of the original while offering a more personalized look. Vintage Indians are increasingly rare, and well-built examples command strong interest among collectors. Bikes like this carry deep historical significance and embody the roots of American motorcycling culture. Number 15, 1967 BSA Hornet, $8,000, Missouri. The 1967 BSA Hornet was designed as a high-performance street scrambler targeting the American market. Powered by a strong parallel twin engine, the Hornet combined lightweight design with aggressive styling. This fully rebuilt example features original components and minimal mileage since restoration. BSAs played a major role in shaping motorcycling during the 1960s, and the Hornet stands as one of the brand's most exciting models. It's a compelling option for collectors seeking a rideable British classic with authentic heritage. That wraps up today's list of classic motorcycles for sale in the USA. For more real vintage bikes and market insights, subscribe to MotoMarket Explorer, and we'll see you in the next ride.